it's incredible. You've distilled a huge raft of information and made it just so brilliant. We're going to be unpicking this for about a year. There's just all the information laid out in this really fantastic, really accessible way, and it grows. It sort of moves, it travels, the information moved with us, and yet here it is distilled, ready for us to unpick. It's
effective. And you can also reverse that. You can make a pyramid, it's still a cascade, it just goes in the other direction. So feel free to play with that. So sometimes when I'm writing lists, I'll think, what's the longest thing?
How is it helping?
It's amazing because I'm quite a visual person, so actually being able to look at the images rather than on my notes, it just sort of brings back the conversations that John had much more vividly.
Absolutely, and you've picked out all the key details that he was speaking about, so and I'm not going to miss anything off of it. It's almost like a map of his talk, which is absolutely fantastic.
And it's a lot of fun things there as well, so you'll remember it. So, yeah, I love it.
And who wouldn't want this on their wall?
Yeah, I mean.